Hello, my name is Braden. This is the repair test for Michael Mazur's home. Just going to attempt to repair on this shingle. As you can see, the nails are pretty rusted, not good. Okay, now that I took out all the nails that are right here, I'm going to take out all the nails that are up here that are still holding it in place. In order to do that, I have to lift this shingle up in order to get to the nails. Just one more nail right here. Should come right out. Just like that. Alright, now it's time to put this shingle in. Should fit like a glove now. Shingle's a little big over the edges. Make sure it's flush up here. Alright, now we can go ahead and start putting in nails. Make sure I put in 6 nails in this row, 6 nails in this row. Six more nails to go. In order to get this nail underneath here, I'm gonna have to lift this back. Make sure I get it in the right spot so I can keep this shingle held down and keep the top of the shingle held down. Shingle's hot. Alright, all done. Make sure I get all these nails off the roof. I just want to make sure doing a good job for the homeowner. Not having any extra nails lying around that could fall off, people could step on. Alright. So, in the process, putting these nails in to bring back the shingle, I'll go ahead and show you. So here's the after. Creases the shingle right here above it. Crease the shingle even above that one, the ones to the side. Because in order to get the nails underneath, I have to lift the shingle up to be able to get my hammer underneath there. And so the problem is, given the age of the roof, that's going to happen to every single shingle. So if I go to repair all the other shingles on the roof, it's going to cause way more damage than it's worth to just repair the roof. It's not restoring the home to its original condition. And also, I can seal these down with glue, but the glue sealant, it's only going to last so long. And there's holes underneath here now from the old nails that you'd have to patch up. Do that to every single shingle. Glue on the holes for so long. And so, like I said, wouldn't be restoring the home to its original condition, doing a repair to each one. And also, the color obviously doesn't match the roof. And so there's multiple problems with doing a whole repair to this roof. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.